What is up, YouTube? Today we're working on my mini quad. Sorry if y'all can't hear me too good. It's raining outside, and I'm in a metal garage. So let me get to showing y'all what we're gonna do. I'll get back to you in a second. Oh, and before I get to the mini quad that's over there, I just wanted to show y'all this drift trike that I got. Look at this. If anybody is in the Kentucky area, this thing is for sale for $250. Anybody that's in the Kentucky area that might be interested in it, around Kentucky, this is for sale for $250. It could be yours. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a second on the four-wheeler. Alright, we're back, YouTube. The only thing this thing needs is a size 40 chain. This is a brand new clutch. It just got sprinkled on. So it's just a rusty size 40 chain. And this sucker rips. We got a 6 horsepower Subaru motor on it. This thing freaking rips. But yeah, I'll get back to you on that. What's up, YouTube? We're back. We're gonna try to find something in my garage where we can use as an exhaust, because as you can see, this thing is not cutting it out. So I'll get back to you in a second if we find something that we can use for an exhaust. That's what I'm gonna look for, something to use for an exhaust. So I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, YouTube, we came up with an idea. We're still gonna use this, but if you see this thing, yeah, like this. It fits in there pretty decent. We're gonna put it in there, and then it's gonna sit in the four-wheeler and shoot out the back. So let me put this metal piece back on there, and then yeah, I'll get back to you in just a second. Actually, I'll get back to you in 1 second. Alright, we're back, YouTube. As you can see, this piece is all whacked up, bent up, so I gotta flatten it back out. As you can see, we got it. It's bent, if you can tell, which is ow. Alright, that should be good enough. So let's go slap it in the thing. I'll be back in 1 second. As y'all see, guys, we got the exhaust thing back in it. So this thing's just we're gonna cut it, but it's gonna sit in there like that because it won't work shooting straight back, because it would be like that. But we're gonna have it somewhere, probably shooting out that way. So when you're sitting on it, you're not burning your leg. So it's gonna shoot out that way. With a bend, we might bend it to where it shoots straight out like that. But yeah, that's how we're getting so far. I'm gonna bend this and then we'll get back to you. Alright, we're back. We got the thing bent so far. So this is what it's gonna look like. I bent it for brick. I'm gonna cut it right here. With the only thing I got to cut it with is a jigsaw. So I'm gonna prop y'all up and then I'm gonna cut it. Alrighty, here y'all go, guys. We're about to cut it. Flip it around because we're going to have to cut it right there, I guess. starting to cut. There we go, guys. We got the piece cut. I'm gonna flip y'all around. I'll be back in a second. All right, here is the exhaust piece. Let's set it in there. Oh, wrong way. Yep, there we go. It sets in there like that. That does not look good at all, but as long as you're not getting your leg friggin' burnt off, because when it's like this, normally it's getting burnt off. I'm gonna go get some. Actually, I got them right over here, just to hold it on for now. Some zip ties, and then we'll put some stuff there. So let me flip it around and prop it up, and we'll be back in just a second. All right, we're back, guys. Where is it? Right here. We're just gonna zip tie it on the side. Boom. Here we go. We got a zip tie. Just right across here. Actually, this way. Yep. We'll snip that in a second. And yeah. Let me see what you got over here. I don't see anything, but. Ooh, right there, guys. Didn't see that. Look. That looks perfect. It shoots right off the side. Right there ought to be fine. We'll zip tie there too. Shoots right off the side. Looks perfect. It looks like it don't look trashy. It don't look horrible. It actually looks not too bad. So I'm gonna zip tie right here. And then after that, we're gonna crank her up in a second. Once we know that it's in there good and not gonna fall out. On there good, guys. Decent. Does have some play in it, but as long as you don't go wild on it, it should be fine. Let me go get something. Oh, right here, these will work. How the heck does it cut it perfect on that? Alright, there we go. These will work, I guess. Yep. Boom. Throw it outside and then we'll crank it up and see how it sounds. I'll be back in a second, guys. Alright, we got her on there, guys. Let's see how she sounds. Sounds pretty good. Alright, YouTube, that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, put the post notification bell on so you know when we upload another video. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the video that me and my friend made of us actually driving and riding it before it broke. Catch y'all next time.